Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool device right here, and basically what this is a portable power bank that you can use anywhere you guys want to. And what's really cool about this one is the fact that it does have the built-in cable, so that way you guys don't have to bring your own cables if you guys don't want to. So first thing I should open this up to show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so once you guys take off that bag, inside they do have the little case that you guys can carry around really easily. But once you guys open up, here's what the inside looks like. So inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And right here we do have actual product. You can see how she has this very nice strap to hold it in place. But let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So for the front part right here, we do have a button for you guys to press to activate it. And right above that, we do have the indicator light to show you guys the battery percentage. So if you guys press it one time, currently the battery is around like 50% charge. And when you guys look at the product from the side, you can definitely see how slim or how thin the actual product is. And we see throughout the product on the side, they do have the built-in cables like I mentioned. So let's open it up. So right here we do have the first one. So this one right here is a USB-C option. Once you guys are done with the cable, you can push back in. And right here on the other side, we have the second one. So this one is a micro USB cable. And same thing applies to this one. Once you have it done, you have to push back in. Just like that. And right here we do have the last one. So let's push it out. This one is a lightning cable. So you can definitely use it for the iPhone, iPad, etc. And once you got it done, you have to push back in. Bottom part, you can see we do have a USB option and also a micro USB option as well. So I'm assuming for the micro USB option, you can definitely use that to recharge the actual product. But you can see for the top part right here in the back, they also have this option that you can plug into a wall outlet to recharge it. So really cool how she give you guys those two options available to recharge the product. And right here in the bottom, you see they provide you guys all the information and specs in terms of input and output that comes out of the product when you guys do use it. So if you see majority of them, the maximum is 2.18 charging speed. If you guys are curious about the battery capacity that's on here, it is 10,000 mAh. So that's enough power for you guys to probably charge like an iPhone twice. But it's definitely really cool how she give you guys the option to charge multiple devices at the same time. So before you test out some of the cables that's on here, let me actually plug in the bottom part to show you guys how to charge it. So right here I do have my cable. If you guys plug it in, once you guys do plug it in, you can see the indicator light right here. It shows you guys that it's charging. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to plug this part right here to recharge as well, it does work. So I'm actually going to test this out first. Alright, so right here we do have the product. If you guys do open the back part, and if you guys plug it in, you can see how it does work. So you definitely have the option to plug it in like that to actually recharge it, or you can use the cable option as well. Alright, so you see when you guys do use the plug outlet, that works as well. So really cool how they give you guys those two options available. But now let's test out whether or not the product works when you guys are charging the power bank while charging the device. So I'm gonna plug this back in. And I'm probably gonna use the lightning cable in the back. So I wanna use this cable right here. If I plug this into my iPhone, you may see it definitely does work. So definitely really cool how she give you guys the option to charge the device while charging the power bank at the same time. And then obviously if you guys want to unplug the cable in the back, if you guys want to use it as a wireless power bank option, it definitely does work. So while that's charging, let's test out the other USB option at the same time as well. So I plug in my cable. Let's plug the other side onto my other phone. Alright, so that works as well. So you definitely do have the option to charge multiple devices at the same time if you guys do want to, which is pretty awesome. But definitely one of the coolest thing about the product is the fact that it does have the built-in cable. So that way you guys don't have to worry about bringing your own cables if you guys don't want to. But you still do have the option to bring your own cables if you guys do want to, since it does have the extra USB output. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable power bank that has a built-in cable, so that way you guys don't have to bring your own cables along with you guys, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.